174. Okay. Okay, that's 190. I'm not doing very well. At least I can add cold water. Meanwhile, I've got to get this now to mash out by getting it up to 170. While stirring constantly, while keeping these two at 170. My super slow thermometer isn't exactly. This one has to get up to 107. Oh, ow, 170. 170. 170. Right. Ow, ow. Daddy beer and baby beer. For those familiar with making coffee, I've never made coffee like this. For the eagle-eyed amongst you, I think I've cocked this up. I think I was supposed to keep the two things separate and then combine them in this pan. And I've still got loads of bits of grain everywhere. God, professional at work or what? Do that. Ow. This is the devastation left by the last step. Sink's not much better. I wonder if I should have thrown those in the bin just yet. My bin seems to be steaming. Oh dear. So the goal to bring this to a rolling boil took flipping ages. But the next step, add 5 pellets of Antium hops. Alexa, set timer 60 minutes. So this is what the beer looks like so far. I'm guessing the next step is actually washing up. So after I've added the hops, the next step is to pour that into here while holding a strainer over the top. Whoever wrote these instructions had 4 pairs of hands. Okay, so I'm planning ahead. The next step, fermentation. Place brew pot in an ice bath until it cools to 70 degrees. It's less of a bath because I've only got 4 ice cubes. But, you know, that's what we've got. Once cooled, do that balancing out with the strainer, funnel and demijohn. Next, pitch yeast. Toss the whole packet in. Now, when you say toss the whole packet in, the top is about that big. I'm not sure that's going to be that easy. But I like the next step. Shake aggressively. Not sure that's how that's going to help the beer though. Ice bath is ready. Right, we're closing in on the final steps. Heat off. Final hops in. Give it a stir. And it's off to the ice bath. Right, fresh from its ice bath. Hopefully 70 degrees. Right, so how I'm going to do this little escapade. I then have to sanitize my hand so I can shake vigorously. Oh my God. Oh. Well, hopefully that was vigorously enough. Well, if I've done it right, this is its new home for the next 3 days. Fingers crossed, eh?